What are momentum indicators? Momentum indicators are technical analysis tools used to determine the strength or weakness of a stock's price. Momentum measures the rate of the rise or fall of stock prices. Common momentum indicators include the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Understanding momentum indicators. Momentum measures the rate of the rise or fall in stock prices. From the standpoint of trending, momentum is a very useful indicator of strength or weakness in the issue's price. History has shown us that momentum is far more useful during rising markets than during falling markets. The fact that markets rise more often than they fall is the reason for this. In other words, bull markets tend to last longer than bear markets. The momentum reversal detector indicator for MetaTrader is the best indicator for momentum traders, divergence traders, and forex trend traders. The momentum reversal detector indicator for MT4 helps forex traders to identify accurate reversal points of the momentum. The indicator also indicates the key reversal points wherever the market is expected to change the trend. However, it also checks for the momentum levels in a higher time frame and displays it in the histogram. As a result, traders can identify the best entry points in a lower time frame while staying in the direction of the momentum of a higher time frame chart. Another important feature of the indicator is to identify the presence of divergence. The indicator looks for divergence in the current time frame and higher time frame and displays that histogram information. As a result, traders can interpret and apply the information displayed in the histogram in various methods. The momentum reversal detector indicator displays the change of signals as a black histogram bar. Forex traders can use the appearance of the black histogram bar to buy or sell accordingly. Momentum indicators help the traders to understand the speed at which the price of particular stock changes. These indicators help us in understanding the strength of price movements. Sometimes the stock prices fall fast, but at other times they might fall slow. We can analyze the speed of the fall or rise in the particular stocks by using the momentum indicators. Momentum indicators are widely used technical indicators which measure the rate at which the price of a specific stock fluctuates. They also complement other indicators like volume and volatility well. Traders should remember these indicators are more useful when the market is rising rather than falling. Below is a guide on what are these indicators and how we should use them when trading in the market. The momentum detecting indicator for MT4, MetaTrader 4, measures momentum for the underlying currency pair and displays the outcome in the upper left part of the chart. Currency traders use this indicator to identify oversold and overbought market conditions and trend strength. The indicator displays the current momentum value, pips, last momentum value, pips, and second last momentum value. It also detects if momentum is increasing or decreasing over time. It's highly recommended to combine the momentum indicator with other technical indicators or with price action tools in order to find the best trade entries and exits. It is up to the trader to set their values. The period 1 is expected to be the longer period moving average. The period 2 is expected to be the shorter period moving average. Price field values can be selected between 1 and 4, open, high, low. Close MA method can be between 1 and 4, SMA, EMA, LWMA, SMMA. The chart below shows the momentum detecting indicator settings with a 50/20 period EMA, applied to closing prices. Momentum detecting MT4 indicator strategy and trading rules. The momentum detecting MT4 indicator is best used alongside moving averages. In the next chart below, a 50 and 20 period EMA has been applied to the chart, the same settings used in the momentum detecting indicator. A major drawback of the momentum detecting indicator is that you cannot visually backtest the